Okay, welcome to the farm. Look at this. This is wheat. And this is what I am showing you. Peas. Wheat is grown by its seeds. You can see the seeds. Bro, look at that. Look at that. Tasty peaches. Or mangoes, I don't know. They already look so tasty. They already look so tasty. I love it. Wait. For some reason, I found purple wheat because I do not know its name. Bye bye. But did you think that's the end? No, because look at the apples. Bro, they are so tasty. Now it's the end. Bye bye.